Hi everyone and welcome. In this video we are going to cover that how to control Banana Pi M4-Berry GPIO using WiringPi Python library. Okay, so here you can see on the camera we have Banana Pi M4-Berry up and running, and the IP address of Banana Pi M4-Berry is 192.168.1.7. Okay, and we have connected this LED on the pin number 7, or you can say GPIO number 7 of BPI M4-Berry, and we want to control the LED status using Python and the WiringPi library. Then how we can do that, how we can install the WiringPi library, how we can set up our Banana Pi M4-Berry to control the GPIO. Okay, so everything we are going to cover in this video. So here you can see we have connected with our Banana Pi M4-Berry using SSH. Now what we want to do is we want to control the GPIO. Okay, so for that we are going to use the WiringPi Python library, and the source of WiringPi Python library is attached here. So you can click on this link and you can get the actual source, okay, of WiringPi Python library from the author. After that, here is the blink code to blink the LED connected to the pin number 7, and here is the bash script which we are going to use to set up our Banana Pi M4-Berry. Okay, so we can control the GPIO. Now you can navigate to our GitHub repository. Okay, so here is our GitHub repository link, and if you scroll down here, then here you will find one section, WiringPi Python installation. So here is the straightforward method to install the WiringPi Python library in your Banana Pi M4-Berry and Banana Pi M4-0. So all you have to do is you just have to log into your Banana Pi M4-Berry terminal. Then after you have to connect your Banana Pi M4-Berry with the internet. Okay, so if I run the ping command, ping google.com, then here you can see I'm getting ping, so means our Banana Pi M4-Berry is connected with the internet. So once you verify this, all you have to do is just copy this command to download this WiringPi Python installation.sh file. So you can paste that command here and you can hit enter. Now we have successfully downloaded this bash file. Okay, so you can run the ls, and here you can see we have the file. Now we have to make this file executable. So for that, here is the command. So yeah, let me copy the command again. Okay, we have successfully make this file executable. Now we are going to execute this file. So once you execute this file, it will update your system time. It will upgrade and update your entire system. Okay, it will install the necessary packages, and then after it will clone the WiringPi Python GitHub repository, and it will compile for your system, and it will successfully install in your system. So you have to wait for a few minutes until this process is done. Okay, so let's wait. Okay, so here you can see deleting the WiringPi Python directory. Okay, and WiringPi installation is completed successfully. Directory has been deleted and everything is set up. So we have successfully updated our system. We have successfully synced the time zone of Banana Pi M4-Berry with the international time zone. Okay, and we have successfully installed the WiringPi Python library. Now it's time to control the GPIO. Okay, so for that you can navigate again to our GitHub repository. Now you can copy this command and you can run this command in the Banana Pi M4-Berry terminal to download the LED blink example. So I'm going to copy this. Okay, I'm going to clear my screen, and then I'm going to paste that command, and then we will hit enter. Okay, we have successfully downloaded the ledblink.py. We can run the ls command, and here you can see ledblink.py. Okay, and the second file is WiringPi Python installation.sh. We have used this file. There is no longer requirement of this file. Now we are going to use this ledblink.py. But before that, let's open this and let's see what is the pin number. So nano ledblink.py, and we are going to control the pin number 7. Okay, so pin number 7 is mentioned here, so that's fine. Now I'm going to press Ctrl X, and what I'll do is I'll run the Python command python 3 led blink.py, and we'll open these two things parallelly. Okay, now I'm going to hit enter. Now here you can see our LED is blinking at interval of 0.5 second. Okay, so using Python we have successfully controlled the GPIO of our Banana Pi M4-Berry single board computer. Okay, so if you have any requirement to control the GPIO using Banana Pi M4-Berry and the Python, then you can follow this video. So that's it. So here you can see our LED is blinking. So this is how you can set up the WiringPi Python library in your Banana Pi M4-Berry single board computer. Now here is the entire steps. Okay, so first of all you have to download this bash script. You have to make that script executable. You have to execute that script to set up your Banana Pi M4-Berry with all the packages, libraries, and it will make your system up to date. And then after, you can download this ledblink.python file to blink your LED at certain interval. You can modify this code as per your requirement. Okay, but we have used that code to blink the LED at interval of 0.5 second. And then after, you can run this command python 3 ledblink.py to blink your LED connected on the Banana Pi M4-Berry pin number 7. Now, how you can identify that it is connected on the pin number 7? So for that, on our GitHub repository, I have provided the pin mapping. Okay, so for Banana Pi M4-Berry. Now here you can see we have connected the red cable. Okay, so yeah, we have connected this red cable on the pin number 7. Okay, which is WiringPi pin number 7 as well, and physical pin number 7 as well, and the IO number is 211. And on the 9th, which is blue cable, we have the ground pin. Okay, so that's why I have connected the ground on the 9th pin. Now let us zoom, and so this pin is pin number 1, this is pin number 2, this is pin number 3, 4, 5, 6, and we have connected this red cable on the pin number 7. And beside that we have pin number 8. Okay, and then the blue cable is connected on the pin number 9, which is ground, and the red cable is connected on the GPIO 7, which is actually the pin number, or you can say IO number 211. Okay, and it's a physical pin number 7, and for the WiringPi as well, it's a pin number 7. So in our code as well, we have used the pin number 7. So here you can see pin number 7 for the WiringPi. Okay, so that's why the LED connected on the pin number 7 is blinking. So if you want to use any other GPIO pin number, then you have to refer to this table. So in the Banana Pi M4-Berry, you will have the 40 GPIO pins, so you can get the mapping of your pin using this table. So if you are using the last 40th pin, okay, then you have to use 29 number, okay, in the WiringPi Python program. Okay, and it's IO number 205. So this is the one which we are going to use in the Node-RED, and this is the one which we are going to use in the WiringPi, and this is the physical pin number. So I hope that the mapping is clear. Now we'll meet you in the another video or in the next video, in which we are going to control the GPIO using Node-RED. Okay, so we are going to control the Banana Pi M4-Berry GPIO using Node-RED and using Node-RED contrib OPI GPIO node. So stay tuned for that video, and after that we are going to cover the how to install and set a WiringPi package in the Banana Pi M4-Berry for the GPIO control. So if you are running this command right now, okay, so let me close it. If you are running this command right now, then you can see command not found. Okay, so you can run this command when you install the WiringPi package in your Banana Pi M4-Berry. So stay tuned for the third video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.